Jamie Oliver, childhood hero. Theater. The guerrilla attack. My name is Inge. I've been working for Accenture for 12, 13 years now. At the moment, I'm responsible to run our business at the software and platform clients in the Netherlands. I think at Accenture you can do whatever you like, and I've always experienced that the sky is really the limit here, and it's really up to you what you put into it, you get out of it. Oh, my best childhood memory. Probably just playing outside with my brother and friends, that kind of stuff. Yeah. When I cook, I can really focus on that and really start putting all my creativity in it. What I really liked about the competition at MasterChef is that you have to be at your best every day, and to challenge yourself and to really push the boundaries. Oh, that's always a hard question, the signature dish. I don't really have a signature dish. I think I have I don't even know if I have a signature style. I cook a lot with vegetables. That's probably the best thing I can say about it.